So just a few days ago, OPPO F7 was launched in Nepal for the price of Rs 36,590. It is one of the most anticipated smartphones this year, flaunting a great design, a tall aspect ratio, and a whopping 25 megapixel front-facing camera. That's the highest megapixel count I've seen on any front-facing camera. So without any delay, let's unbox this phone and get a quick hands-on of the device. The packaging of the box looks just like the one seen on the OPPO F5, and as you can clearly tell from the picture here, we have got the solar red version of the phone. The unboxing experience is pretty straightforward here, so let's just slide out the outer box, and that's a nice OPPO engraving here. Popping it open, right on front we have got the phone, and whoa, this is one of a kind red and glossy device. Can't wait to get some fingerprints on it. For now, I'll keep it aside and let it boot up. Let's dig deeper to see what else we have got here. Here's the SIM ejector tool, which resembles the OPPO logo. Nice touch there. And inside we have got some paperwork like the warranty card, user manual, and so on, which I know no one ever bothers to read. Also, we have got this jelly cover that looks kind of sturdy, but they'll get dirty soon. Oh, a notch cut out here. Nice touch again, OPPO. I wish smartphone manufacturers gave more thought on the phone itself than its box. Inside, we've got the charging brick with 5V and 2A output. Sadly, no fast charging here. To add up to that grip, I'll quickly like to point out to the micro USB-C port on the OPPO F7. It's 2018 and smartphone manufacturers should be serious about USB-C like they are about the notch cutouts on their smartphone box. The charging cable also looks nice and sturdy. Earphones inside the box are almost obsolete these days, and it's finally good to see one, and it doesn't look that bad. Definitely inspired from Apple AirPods, but we'll have to wait and see how it sounds. So here are all the things you will find inside the box of the new OPPO F7. Now let's take a look at the device itself. Since it's a red phone, the UI is also themed red. The phone comes with a 6.23-inch Full HD Plus display with a tall 19:9 aspect ratio. With thin bezels and that notch on the top, it has managed a staggering 88% screen-to-body ratio. The UI feels really smooth for now, and there doesn't seem to be a whole load of bloatwares. It is running on Android 8.1 Oreo with OPPO's Color OS. I'm not quite sure if this phone will get any future updates since OPPO is not very well known for providing one, but if history was predominant, things would have always remained the same. So we'll just have to wait and see. The feel of the phone on the hand is good and it's pretty light to carry. It is mainly due to its plastic back, which OPPO is trying to mimic as a glass one. Certainly not the greatest feel on the hand, and I would have preferred a metal back by miles since it feels more premium and protects the phone against minor drops and scratches. Let's make the mid-range smartphone space a plastic-free zone. Moving on to the feature highlight of the phone, it's not the notch here, but a 25 megapixel shooter it carries. And it looks really promising. The company claims that they have improved the AI from the last generation, and it's now called the AI Beauty 2.0. which recognizes 300 facial features for beautifying your skin based on your age, gender, and complexity. Which basically means you will look like a boy if you are a boy with the beauty mode turned on. For more in-depth details, you'll have to wait for the full review. And yeah, it comes with face unlock as well, which is really fast. On the back, it carries a single 16 megapixel camera and still manages to offer bokeh mode, but I'm not sure it will do a better job than the dual camera. What's interesting for me, however, is the 12nm Helio P60 processor that the phone is powered by. This chipset is definitely something to look out for as it scored higher than the Snapdragon 636 in benchmarks and goes neck to neck with the Snapdragon 660. In terms of memory, you get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage. You can expand the storage via a dedicated microSD card slot up to 256GB. You can also opt for the special 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant for Rs 10,000 more. Backing the phone up is a respectable 3400 mAh battery, which should provide enough juice for a day. So for the early hands-on, I think the OPPO F7 is a really solid phone. I love how this phone looks, although the use of plastic back may be a major setback lacking a premium feel. I think the performance is going to be stellar, and I can't wait to put its camera to test to find out if the tag of selfie expert and leader really holds. So stick with us to see the full review of OPPO F7. Do hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. I'm Yankee, and I'll see you on the next one.